photography. What a beautiful thing, no? जब मैंने नई नई फोटोग्राफी शुरू करी थी, जो मेरा फोटोग्राफिक जर्नी रहा है, उसमें इनिशियल डेज में आई रिमेंबर मीटिंग माय टीचर नितिन राय सर. He's a brilliant photographer, and he told me that, Mohit, the best photographs are the ones that either appeal to your heart or your mind. And the greatest photographs are the ones that talk to both. Over the years realize हुआ कि हाँ यार, जो फोटो दिल और दिमाग दोनों से बात कर ले, एक अपनी जबान बोल ले, अपनी भाषा बोल ले, that is what you call a great picture. Hi, my name is Mohit Ahuja. I am your friend, a fellow photographer. And the name of this series is called Thought Behind the Shot. हमारी कोशिश इस पूरी सीरीज के थ्रू यही है कि हम आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ये माइंड और हार्ट का कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश करना सिखा सके इन योर पिक्चर्स. आई टीच अ लॉट ऑफ सुपर ह्यूमन्स डे इन एंड डे आउट थ्रू आउट द वीक. और मेरी कोशिश है कि जो पेरेंट्स ये एपिसोड्स देखते हैं, जो फ्रेंड्स मेरे एपिसोड्स देखते हैं, all my superhuman students who look at these episodes, they get to learn and apply it in their pictures. Let me tell you, this is a journey. ये overnight नहीं हुआ है. It has taken me 20 years to get here. And when I look at my own work, I think there is still a long way to go. तो motivation बनाए रखना है, discipline बनाए रखना है, and you will get there. As I tell a lot of my students, it's all about patience, persistence, and practice. So be patient, have your persistence, keep doing what you're doing, and practice a lot, and eventually you'll achieve greatness. Well, in today's episode, I want to talk about a subject that can be very challenging and how to make it interesting. As photographers, many times we get client requests to shoot their offices, their retail spaces, their restaurants. How do you make that look alive? आज मैं आपके साथ जो शॉट शेयर करने वाला हूँ, ये एक रेस्टोरेंट का शॉट है. This is a shoot I did for a leading restaurant in Delhi. अब हुआ ये, I'll just show the very first picture here. Now as you look at this picture, the first challenge that I faced in this shoot was there were no models available. My personal preference for any kind of architectural shots, whether it's an office, a restaurant, a gym, whatever it is, कुछ तो लोग हो यार, कुछ तो लाइफ होना, वो यहाँ पे मिसिंग था. The client did not have budgets to have models there or people there who are, good looking in front of the camera. I landed up for the shoot, and what I'm given is an empty restaurant to shoot. Now, how do I make this look interesting? I started taking pictures of this place from different angles. This was the very first picture I took with the bar visible. There was absolutely nobody there. It's a very nice looking place, very warm looking place, but कुछ missing लग रहा था यार. Then I took another picture where there were some people, but these were guests. I could not request them to come closer to the camera. और जिस एंगल से मैंने लिया, वहाँ से वो लोग बहुत दूर थे. अब ऐसे में क्या करा जाए? उनको रेस्टोरेंट के ओवरऑल फोटोज चाहिए थे, वो तो मैंने दे दिए, but as a photographer, I felt that I'm not challenging myself enough. Here's a very simple thing that I believe when I'm shooting architecture is that when you look at buildings, when you look at cafes, restaurants, gyms, office spaces, they all, if you look at just buildings, they are very boring. But if there is some activity happening around there, then your storytelling becomes easier. आप कहानी अच्छी सुना पाते हैं, आप कुछ एक emotional human element डाल पाते हैं. It could be just a person playing with their pet, a couple playing with their kid, or just a couple having a romantic dinner, or two very old people sitting with their family, enjoying what is their retirement life. But जब वो सब ना हो, तब क्या करें? So I gave the restaurant whatever images they wanted, and then I started pushing myself. I was like, I need something, some kind of a thing that says, wow, this is a restaurant I need to visit. This has a vibe that is alive. What do I do? What do I do? I kept thinking, I kept wondering. And then I noticed these very interesting lights in the restaurant. I was like, wow, that's a nice looking light. और फिर मैंने इनकी फोटोज खींचना शुरू करा. I looked around and I took another picture. I was like, okay, interesting, but still something is missing. Then I started where else these lights are visible. मेरे क्लाइंट का फ़ोन पड़ा था, मैंने उस फ़ोन के ऊपर एक रिफ्लेक्शन देखी, मैंने उस रिफ्लेक्शन का शॉट लिया. And I was like, something is still missing. Now I think if you are looking at all these pictures right now, you are able to make out that वो जो एक फीलिंग आती है ना कि हाँ ठीक है, लाइट ही तो है, हाँ ठीक है, एक रेस्टोरेंट ही तो है. What's so beautiful about it? I had the same challenge as a photographer, and with that thought, I started looking around, hungry for a shot. I was like, I want to show some life here. How do I show that this is a beautiful place to come to, that you would love to come to? क्या है ऐसा यहाँ पे कि मुझे मज़ा आए आने में इस जगह पे, मुझे ऐसा लगे कि मुझे दुनिया से ब्रेक चाहिए तो मुझे यहाँ पे आना है. What is that one thing? बाहर बारिश थी. It was raining and I just looked out the window and then I noticed a very beautiful reflection on the glass windows of this restaurant. And then I got this shot. Just look at this shot. There's a green wall, there's greenery outside, there are these lights reflecting on that glass. अब logically इस रेस्टोरेंट का कुछ भी visible नहीं है इस shot में. But yet this became the hero shot just because of the reason that this makes you feel so fresh. The people at the restaurant, the client was very happy because they said, this is a shot that makes you feel that, wow, this is a green place in an urban jungle. We would love to go there. We would love to hide there with our families, have a nice lunch or a dinner, play golf outside. And this is what makes the restaurant even more inviting. और वैसे मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं दोस्त कि अच्छे शॉट में ना जो अच्छी फोटोग्राफी होगी, कभी भी देखने वाले का ध्यान आपकी लाइटिंग पे नहीं जाएगा, देखने वाले का ध्यान आपके कॉम्पोजिशन पे नहीं जाएगा, देखने वाले का ध्यान आपकी कलर रेंज पे नहीं जाएगा कि आप ब्लैक एंड वाइट में खींच रहे हो या कलर्ड में खींच रहे हो. द ब्यूटी ऑफ अ ग्रेट फोटोग्राफ इज अ पर्सन विल लुक एट इट एंड अंदर से एक बहुत अच्छा इमोशन अराइज होता है. कुड बी हैप्पीनेस, कुड बी सैडनेस, कुड बी व्हाटएवर इमोशन. इफ यू हैव बीन एबल टू ट्रिगर दैट इमोशन, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपने कौन से कैमरा से खींचा है, किस लाइट में खींचा है, किस टेक्निक से खींचा है. It is a great picture. And all the parents who are listening to this, a very simple example of this is any picture of your child that even you might have clicked. They are all beautiful, no? Because that emotion of being a parent is so beautiful. And it is that emotion that binds you, that bonds you to that picture. तो अगली बार जब आप बाहर कहीं जाए, just trying to find that small sign of life. And you will realize how a random place becomes special and starts appealing to you. This was today's shot of Thought Behind the Shot. My name is Mohit Ahuja. If you've liked this episode, do leave a comment, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and do share it with somebody who may need it. I'll see you very soon. Until then, keep taking great pictures. God bless you.